DJI Airworks 2019 drone announcement. Got that coming up next. DJI is holding its Airworks 2019 conference in Los Angeles later this month. Let's take a look at what you can expect in this brief clip. Now, the tagline for the conference is, through the annual Airworks conference, DJI drives the commercial drone industry forward. Now, if you work or service the commercial drone industry, this is a must on your conference list. Now, the conference is being held from September 24th to September 26th, 2019 at the Westin Bonaventure in Los Angeles, California. Cost for the conference is $799. Now, will they be making a drone announcement at Airworks 2019? Well, I have it from an industry contact, not this one, and not this one, that they will be. Now, DJI has 3 new drones ready. 1 consumer, 1 prosumer, and 1 consumer. Now, odds are high that DJI will be releasing a commercial drone during the conference. As far as the prosumer and consumer drones are concerned, that will happen closer to the holidays. Now, when there's any breaking news on this, tune in to Bill the Drone Reviewer and Bill the Drone Reviewer Limited Edition for all the latest information. Question of the day: what do you think DJI will release at Airworks 2019? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.